push-ups a day for 90 days, this is what happens to your body. If you just knew what would happen on day 85, you would never give up on this challenge. The first 30 days are just the warm-up. Your chest, shoulders, and triceps start developing definition that makes people notice. By day 45, your core strength becomes insane because each push-up is secretly engaging 200 muscles at once. Around day 60, something incredible happens. Your testosterone levels surge, turning your body into a 24/7 fat-burning machine. The real transformation hits at day 75 when your upper body strength reaches levels you never thought possible. But day 85, this is where the magic happens. Your body hits what scientists call the strength threshold, where suddenly you can do all 100 push-ups without stopping. Your muscle fibers becomes incredibly dense, and your metabolism stays elevated for 24 hours straight. Your posture becomes perfect, shoulder pain disappears, and even your bone density improves. By day 90, you're not just stronger, you've completely reprogrammed your body's blueprint. The best part? This challenge costs $0 and takes just 10 minutes a day. Want to know how many people actually make it to day 85? Only